It's your boy, MaxOS, and welcome to episode 1 of Photoshop Tips and Tricks series, and today we're going to be learning how to make text 3D in Photoshop. Let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is make a document, like so. It can be one that you've already made, or you could just make a new one. And then next you need to write up some text. So if you don't know how to do that, all you got to do is press that little T here, click that, and then click anywhere on the screen and just start typing. So for this case, I'm just going to type up MaxOS. So once you've done typing, you need to go up to this top bar over here and click 3D. Now this will open up the Photoshop 3D editor and also make your text 3D. So now it's 3D, but now if you want to move your text around, make it choose different angles and all that, you have to use these 5 little icons over here. And what they do is they allow you to rotate your text in any direction and move it along any axis, including X, Y, and Z. So if you don't know what they are, they basically are X, Y, and Z are up, down, left, right, and forward and back. So you can just have a little play around with these and see what they do. But in the meantime, I'm just going to move it around and adjust my text. So as you can see, I'm using the different buttons that correspond to different movements to add effect to my text. So once you're done moving the text how you like, you can also edit how the light is going onto your text. So to do that, you just click on this little sun icon, and then you hold this little sphere at the end of the stick, and you can move it around. And then this corresponds to where the light is pointing towards the text. So you can make really cool features with this. So you can make it have a big shadow, a small shadow. You can change how light is hitting the text, and you can change how bright and how dark it is. So for now, I'm just going to have it like this to show the shadow. And yeah, then you can just click away and it's back to normal. Now let's say you want to go back to the normal Photoshop editor. You want to get out of the 3D editor. All you have to do is click Layers on the side here, and then just click Background or any other layer that isn't 3D. And then it'll go back here to the normal editing menu. Now let's say you want to edit the text again in 3D, you want to move it, you want to add different lighting effects. To do that, all you have to do is click the layer over here, and because it's got a little 3D sphere, it means that when you click on it, it'll access the 3D editor menu. So just to show you, when you click on that, it opens the editor again. And then when you're done, you can just press background. Now let's say you're finished editing the 3D text, and you're ready to make it just a normal layer. All you have to do is right click the layer and press convert to smart object. And what that'll do, it'll make it like a normal layer. So you can click on the layer and it won't go to the 3D editor, it'll just make it a flat smart object, or just a normal layer, like an image. So there you have it, everyone. That's how you make text 3D in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to MaxOS, and most importantly, have a great day. See you, everyone!
Thank you.